this video how to fix this problem on your Facebook. So just you should pay attention and watch this video till the end. First, go open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search for Facebook and click. So you will find this list, scroll it down, click storage, click clear cache. Now back, click on force stop, click OK. Right now go to Play Store, open it, search for Facebook. If you found the update button, update your app. If you didn't find it's okay, you don't need. Next, restart here your device and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and